Putting My Clothes Away, a book for learning Spanish words by Jessica Diaz. Copyright 2019 by Jessica Diaz. All rights reserved. Hola, I'm Matthew. Every weekend I have to clean my room. Somehow it gets really messy during the week. My mom says that if I find any clothes that are not put away, I should put them in the laundry. I guess I should get started. I always start with making my bed. Sometimes I find clothes in there, like this camiseta that was hiding under my covers. Next, I pick up my toys. Uh-oh, looks like I left my zapatos on the floor. Dusting comes next. That's usually when I find more things that need to be put away, like these calcetines I found on my dresser. Not sure how they got there. My mom says that I'm old enough to use the vacuum cleaner now. So, after I dust, I vacuum. This gives me another chance to make sure that I have picked up everything off the floor, like these pantalones cortos that made their way under my bed. Usually, around this time, my mom will bring up some laundry to put away, like these camisas and pantalones. So I put them away, and whew, I'm all done. Do you have to clean up your room or put your laundry away at your house? Can you name any of your clothes in Spanish?